Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your work or even your home address on Uber application, okay? So I'm quite surprised that there's an Uber application available in my region right now because usually it's going to be Grab. Anyway, on this video, the first thing you want to do, of course, hop onto settings. Once you're in settings, I just want you to click on General tab right here, okay? Now once you're in General tab, click on Software Update right there. And then from here, I just want you to see that there should be an iOS is up to date logo, or rather a sentence right there, or a phrase. And then it doesn't really matter if you have an iOS 16.6 version, because a few months from now, if you're watching this like a few months from now, there should be a new updated version for iOS. If you have iOS 17, 18, and so on and so forth, doesn't really matter. The important part is you should see iOS is up to date on your end, okay? So please update those pending updates before proceeding on Uber. Anyway, let's open Uber. From here, this should be the landing page. If you don't have an account for this one, it's pretty easy. Just use your account for Gmail, or rather your phone number, okay? Just make sure they're active because they're gonna send a verification code to either one. So as you can see here, just click on account, and then once you're here, click on settings. So as you can see, there is an add home option. Also, there is a add work option right there. And currently I already have a work address on my end right here. So if you want to just change it, just click on it again and just set a new address. So let's just start with home first. There are two options. You can just use a pin location here and then just choose whatever or wherever address you have right away. So the idea here is look for your own icon. It should be this one right here, the blue one. Okay? Once you have this one, make sure you have pinned it properly, because this is a home. And make sure if you're using this GPS or pin location, make sure you have the right address. For example, if you're using phone, if you wanna update your home, make sure you're at the house if you use this location map. If you're not at the house and then you're outside and just want to update your home address, make sure you put your home address right there, Angeles on my end, and that's perfect. Okay? Now for work, on here is the same idea as home address. You have set location pin on here. However, again, if you want to use the option, make sure you have or you're in the exact address of your work address, okay? If not, again, just type in whatever work address you have. For example, if you're on Miss Robinson's right there, choose whatever right here as a example. So that's it. That's how you edit your home and work address on Uber. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one.